Good morning, everyone. It is day 5 of Tour De Fleece. I'm Tina. This is my workshop. And I am running around like a chicken with my head cut off. I am on the clock. I'm getting ready to leave. I've got like 5 minutes to get out of this house. So I rushed upstairs so that I could do my little video. And then I need to get going. So goals for today. Spindle spinning. Pretty much it. Though I did last night, I pulled my e-spinner down. I got thinking, I'm like, why have I not done this already? I don't use it too often because I like my treadle wheels, though I've had my eyes on like an Ashford e-spinner for a very long time now. But I do have a e-wheel nano, the little tiny one. And I'm like, why haven't I pulled that down already? So I pulled that down. Honestly, I had thoughts of bringing it with me today, but then thought, even though I'm going to be sitting in doctor's offices quite a bit, they're going to be in spurts. So probably not really long enough to pull that out. But I did pull it out in the pretense that I could potentially use it downstairs or something. But spindles are going with me, so spindle spinning, and then we'll see, depending on what time I get home, what other things I might get done. If I get home with enough time, then I will work on my second bobbin of the Moonlit Fox, so that then I can get that one plied up and get some more finished skeins. So currently, see the yellow box right there? I picked that up last night, and I'm dropping my finished skeins into that. So currently there's 2 in it, which I guess isn't too bad considering we have 4 days under our belt of Tour de Fleece, and I have 2 finished skeins. So yeah, not too bad. I should be happy with that. So, and we have this bobbin, so get this bobbin done. We'll have a third. So, okay, goals for today. Yes, I need to get myself going, so I need to stop rambling on. Goals for today: spindle spinning. I'll see you in a few hours. We'll see how I do. I've been sitting here with my window open, and I think it's making too much light. We've been having thunder and stuff, and I've been sitting here spinning and watching out the window just to see if there was rain and stuff like that. Yeah, that's better. It's, the curtain is not even that thick of a curtain. It's a lightweight curtain, but it just cuts down the glare. Oh no. So how's everybody's spinning been going today? We actually were not gone as long as I thought we were going to be. Her tests went rather quickly, so that was good. We did stop and have lunch though on the way home. I got a little spindle spinning done. Nothing on the Traveler because I was driving. A little bit on my drop spindle. I weighed it already. So it was at 29 yesterday grams, and it's at 32 grams now. So I've put 3 grams on it, which is not very much, but I mean, you can kind of see a difference. I filled in this area here and some here. So I got some, but like I said, her tests actually went quicker than I thought they were going to. So that being said, I got home sooner than I thought I was going to, which means I got my bobbin done. And I got another bobbin done. I got 2 bobbins done today. So I got some spindle spinning done, and I got 2 bobbins done. How about that? I think that was pretty good. And this would have actually been done a little bit faster, but my shack decided it didn't like me. It was fine for this one, and I didn't change no settings or anything, but it was fine on this one. As soon as I put this one on, it said, "I don't like you no more." And I mean, that was before I even had the fiber on. That was just with the leader. It wasn't wanting to take in the leader, and I was like, "What's your problem?" And I'm on the phone with my aunt, and she's kinda laughing at me. I was like, "He's just not being nice right now." Not her, the spinning wheel. Spinning wheel was not being nice. Don't know what its problem was. It's not being nice, and it might go into timeout tomorrow because I don't deal with rudeness. So, Elizabeth, that's sitting here waiting to do some plying tomorrow. Where did I put the other? Oh, I put it down there already. Because I've got bobbin number 1 and now bobbin number 2. So, first thing for tomorrow will be plying these two. So, uh, the big flyer is already on Elizabeth. I've been leaving it on Elizabeth so I didn't have to worry about that. I'm spinning on the shack, plying on Elizabeth. So I will ply this on Elizabeth, and then I might just switch out the flyer and spin on Elizabeth tomorrow because she's actually my favorite to spin on anyway because he's not being nice. Mm-hmm. Mm. So he's gonna get. I think he's gonna get put in timeout for a while until he can decide what he has done wrong and behave himself. So I have this one is already separated and pre-drafted for the second brown bobbin. I did that already. And then this one is just in the 2 poofs for the 3rd and 4th bobbin. But this one's all separated and pre-drafted. So that one is ready. So I can hopefully, what is tomorrow? Is tomorrow Friday? Yep. Okay, so tomorrow don't think I have anything else. So I can try and ply, spin, but I also have to record my regular weekly video tomorrow. Yeah. There was something else I was going to say. I forgot what else I was going to say. Literally was just going to say it. I totally just forgot. Don't you love when you do that? CRS. Can't remember stuff. I was like trying to look back that way to see if I could remember what it was. Oh, I know what I wanted to look at. I wanted to look at this before to see the one that I'm spinning today. I'm curious myself. The brown one is the toffee chip cookie fiber. It's 75% BFL and 25% bamboo. Okay. Because I could feel the difference compared to the one I was spinning before, the Moonlit Fox, because that one was the 75% merino and 25% cormo, and it's super soft and fine. And this one was toothier, and I wondered if it was BFL, and it is. It's BFL and bamboo, and I enjoy it. It has a really nice feel, and I would have enjoyed it more if he wasn't being so mean. Mm. So we're going to try and enjoy it a little bit more because it's nice. This is a very nice wheel. So, okay. I think that's all I have for you today. So I will get this edited and uploaded, and I will see you again in the morning. I am kind of covered in fiber. Black shirts and fiber don't mix. Even though it's brown, it doesn't show brown on your clothes. I need to get a lint roller. I think I have one in here somewhere. I know there's one in my eel wheel box, but I think I have one in here. Okay, I'm rambling. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all those YouTubey things. If you want to get yourself some Paradise Fibers, there is the affiliate link down below. I do pay for all my Paradise Fibers, by the way. I really like them. That's why I do. Otherwise, I will see you in the morning. You will see me tomorrow night. So have a good night. Happy spinning. See y'all again soon. Bye.